Hello there. If you want to enable or disable auto rotate on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus and switch from portrait to landscape whenever you want, let's go ahead and see how to change your device orientation. So to quickly change it, just swipe down the quick access panel and you'll find the auto rotate option from where you can enable or disable it. Just in case if you can't find this option, just tap on this pen or edit icon to edit. Find the option listed below and then simply drag it to the quick access panel. Press done and done. Now apart from that, if you press and hold on this rotate icon, of course you can turn on off auto rotation from here and can separately turn on auto rotate for home screen, lock screen and voice call screen. For example, if I enable it for home screen, it will rotate my home screen if I turn my phone. Otherwise, auto rotate will not work on my home screen. Just be a little careful not to disable auto rotate when you're in landscape mode, because in that case, it'll just get stuck on that mode. And finally, please remember, auto rotation might not work on certain apps and games. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.